the chop am yafu. Wow. Oga the chop am ya. He the chop am fuga. Oga the chop am yanga. Boom. Oga the chop am wow. Money, Africa money. Oga the chop am woman they want, rich they enjoy. I say how we go bridge the gap between account and the job. Oga the chop am fuga. Bad manager the job. Oga the chop am basa. Director the job. Oga the chop am nyanga. Even pastors they chop. Hey, j'ai bien cherché.
Enti Ernesto Jason send me dey na was no. Oti Sydney nwum no a. O say na corruption watch na do so. Another kudos and come Sydney. Na no VGM Obraye show. Older than most of the artists on feature but Obraye show. I Sydney we a guy what? Legends live in our midst. Tien chairman say me man say na abegina na make crocodile tears them in po. Sydney we a guy. Me bon price corruption watch for my cash for nyum we. When you sue them for copyright. Why? Sue them for copyright. For nyum na tia papa.
Wow, got the chop am ya.
And now him corruption watch focusing on Sikedia Ekoso was sports. Football to be specific. Ghana had the football na yakoma da ho pa but sports here abroad. Na yanyina nim de ma yakọ Brazil eba ya ensem kese eba ya Ghana fly sika nko de ne si play mu air condition boy sika no kwa kosi Brazil man crofo ko fefi sika no say you may kiss the bride no afede na you may kiss the cash ko kisi cash ne buy man ye wi ani akwa akote ho commission san bo ka chia commission members ne kase wo metna se na we de ehunu bi da si etokube $20 e wo Brazil ehia for Ghana ye ko Brazil a ye ko tokube $20 ye te ho committee e me ho nsem nyina besi ne asem ba kwa countryman songo aka fire Okobusa Nanado ewo media encounter Nanado ye na no and say Mr. President, are you so interested in the Justice Demefe Committee report? President Adin Ekano Krese in fact the refi. Now years on ye call AFCON tournament. Now this is what I'm getting from your sports team. He says sika ye dey conquer about 8 million Ghana cedis. Any ye dey call dollars $8 million any ye dey call. An AFCON tournament that me and you akra ne wati jare akra wati fie o ton ade se de na mi so me ton ade o temai akra nim say we no go win enye duabo ye we no go foko kota akra ye nko se so nyantechi bi ani ho no be we se mi samamo se FIFA fo ani break out for so what udi agroko e we se mi ye be chew number 12 for because o mo Egypt o be chew ntia na o mo hu musuo enti sikedie there's record e Ghana but my feedback on the last corruption watch here unim say story bi about kolebia we 15 years yes he had na 10 years for robbery na nya judge ne fault per se but just that judge ne fault so wo kwan bi so wo hwe the law on robbery dia judge no di mra so na mom the law on juvenile enkwala omoye bone the law na very clear say obi ya bone na so only 18 years e was say o mrakwan a wo de befa so a wo di nipa no befa mrakwan nim ye feedback on e nkofo afre so mabo mbeboa in fact me kra me nya call from your first legal aid and legal aid for kasa o mpese o mo fa case no kra bo other lawyers are intervening o mo nyina pese o mo de o mo jim na be betumi akwakope bail amabo because enye ne kwan so sa akola only 18 years you convicting no to insawom adult custody it wasn't right. See a baby bibia na etisa nti anu say ya yan wasem say be yes say ayensa kan just ken and associate omo ye lead counsel omo so omaja tum say abrante any case o befa no mind pro bono chese omo nye kaprekra say the na legal aid for person omo ye no pepepe no lawyer Justina Tetedonko and lawyer Alaji Inua Yusuf omo ye head of legal affairs or Ministry of Health omo nyina ye so omaja tum no mind pro bono but my question is you see how many times must we talk about some of these cases and say no mabum so omo ye no pro bono yeah so many of those cases are and crati baby and some omni penifo neto they are not supposed to be there according to Mrano Bonnie cry no and he said in fact why Bonnie no cry shouldn't be in an adult cell so omni penifo no ho Yamra back ni yamra football in seven so. Football dear obie nim sports generally. Sikedie wom adanya Ghana. Any a call this first say disabled for paraliga tournament wo Australia. Eni po me ebu body o makodina so mo yemum. Sikedie enti. Omo ye mumufo a ye de om be kɔ ne omo ye disabled. Ya fa man ko. When you do one me say nkofo ye mum ye bu so matter. Hey master, what is your name? Hey, you're born in 23. Yes, my name is Kofi Mensah. Are you a journalist? Yes, I'm a journalist. Hey, what is a lead? Obra nim hwe. Yeah, so makwa ko go Australia, skedienti. Ghana for you. Ghana. Enye penny for no kwa na corrupt. Ye Ghana for na corrupt. Ade na wa wonim se wonye mum. Na so ye Australia. Na ko abrodi be yenti. Uni oye mum de emva ne tra Ghana ha. Wo de okọ ahyere aye ohose mum. Wo ya betra so dem meti abonsam so. Mary Makosoro meti abonsam so. Utie utiri so. Utie ahwa so. You see, this is the corruption we talk about. This is the corruption. Ye corrupt. Ye leaders unko. We create our leaders. We vote for our leaders. Now our banner vote one kasa oje 10 Ghana cedis ni t-shirt. So who is more corrupt than you? Enti no. Enti unim yakwa GBC. Years ago, we investigation a report from the Auditor General no eka say GTV for underestimate or musika or moje for football who commentary no many the World Cup ye nyina no 2018 report Auditor General by no omo underestimate no adenti say omo bibia friend facilitation nti ade na one Ghana cedis cost me nya no 50 pesos ukoto ne ma abuso kan no many ade nyomo ye GBC ne big companies they are no exception football no sa no me tournament AFCON yo mu koi ye budget say ticket ne ade e be cost be 1 million bi be 1.5 enu chief director one 2 million enu minister one 3 million obi abodi share gum Ghana ebe na che corruption we are all part of it enye akese no kwa Director of Finance one Mr. Augustus Youngson and Nasabe acting Director General of the corporation findings na Auditor General here wo GBC no hu say opani okan pa lack of understanding of operation of broadcasting institution na ma sa we nyina ba mu no Auditor General report no ka say no ma to ticket kwa o man use so ye bon ho ka 75,150 aban de oni wo fase ye bon ka edigomu oni manu ya ba Francisca wa ha ono yes investigations we nya mama o ma details ne enko travel matters issue no ne ye de award de ye ko AFCON tournament ira hwe eno so potential sikedi e wo mu ne e lessons from ye first 2014 report nyina eba mu voices nyina so ye bebo ba Francisca good morning anope
good morning Afia
ho ye de
nyame adomo
investigations mo corruption watch adwuma mo ye any partners nyina sponsored by Star Ghana Adom FM Asela CDD GII Ghana Corruption Corruption Coalition my idea pa ya investigation wo ye any baby a ensem nyina bedu ne de ma o de emfa Mohammed voice no yanko Mohammed ho na member of Francisca yanko yembo Mohammed ho iti yabako Mohammed be so Francisca ne ma memfa ye wi beba Mohammed ye this football any music die mame ehun issue ye nyina nim say 2014 ye ko justice the mefe commission emi ehun kire pe bi ko swing kofo enye easy o ebi ko swing ko bi won ma no wadi 1 cedi pe na so ye akoka se wadi 100 nti afa su ni be ma na obra aka no krese o mpacho me ebi 1 cedi pe we a chop no be 100 but generally football and corruption skedie no investigations now we findings no ko si sen.
And what was 2014? SMPC was World Cup na. And after Cup of Sa World Cup no, Sa committee where I set and send me bread the PM. And after that no, and Auditor General report. Also, we had different types. And 2018, and Auditor General a specific investigation on some selected state institutions Ghana nti na enu nye general audit na ya omo ye
okay
enti eba GBC de no omo piki sa 2014 World Cup year asem
good
GBC on say before some be World Cup no we hear some rights to show it
author rights
enti no GBC ni African Union of Broadcasters AUB transaction bi and this transaction na revenue was making GBC share omunkwa muntumi raise and no more for me consortium consortium.
Aye.
And the consortium na Metro TV, some of the TV stations and perform is our consortium ninti. Na
no to sublet rights ni be other people no many says can.
And no advert ye be bo during the tournament na no sponsorship no sika e be fi mo aba no. Na omo atia ma omo ho. Enu no na GBC majority shareholder was our benefits no. Nti na GBC nkwa beji 50%.
Okay.
Now the other private TV stations no
after the rest of the 50%
from the revenue no be making no. And you almost started the beginning of it said young electronic media ejunei program ye sponsorship
advert na
nti advert na so no sometimes sales for mu ko pay adverta utumi nya be ni part 20 a omo se o program we dey me advertise ba ebe do time a wo pese muko show no mu launch show no na en start no na ni part 20 a ebi a omo promise say omo be ma na omo withdraw omo services no mu nya ready say na ebi a mu nsanka sika na anka omo pese omo spending on sa project no enti eno mu na GBC for any consortium no omo start adwuma no omo say marketing bit bi bebem na sa marketing bit no ye di be ma private institution.
Okay.
Now on one hand,
GBC could not do it on their own with all the big marketing departments on one.
Because they were part of the consortium. There was some percentage be. Now on per conflict of interest.
Good.
Then they will have to let a private institution, OMP. Now
OMP. Yeah.
No one handle marketing aspect. And see about how many companies no more adverts. How many of them promise and how many of them are eventually omo advert ne pay mu and then how many of them omo tua kasa ade ni nyina no GBC omo sales department handle
okay
nanka OMP and o say omo handle sa nyama ni nyina enti OMP and handle ye enti bibia omo hwe bibia se ka omo nya ye omo che sika ni na wie ye enu hu audit and na auditor general ko ye ya afoko hu say omo understate we tigo ebebo the next audio ntina
omo underestimate value no omo de maaye no
sika no omo nya ye
na je so omo nya sika do bum ba omo kwakwa account no
ti say onya the money was supposed to be 14 million and now almost 39 million
na je say dey aka na konkofo botom
na
report no okay to my member voice no no ye Mohammed voice ye boy and then ye travel matters ye be call no later
and the auditor general finding ediba out say omo under accounting 3 million and it's 3 million no say who understate 3 million revenue in effect no what it means is VAT cry wutia no who understate because 3 million bit na was say wutia VAT was over wentia and the auditor general report na dey buy in there na che say kro no bi akoso ya understating and then na corruption watch say okay auditor general report aba e wom so omu yo mu hwehwe mu yie but bibi say no e was say to me TFI GBC for ko say e ba ne sen and am understating mu revenue by 3 million enti ene ye call GBC nti ye call GBC na GBC mpanyim for purchase say
enti director of finance ne musa na no ye de ma ya call director of finance GBC why omo underestimate the cost of sika omunya here from enko.
And what happened was that initially, normally during like the AFCON going on, you may have gone out to do prospects. So you have people who told you initially that they will come on board. Okay, fine. Then there were conditions that they were supposed to make some deposits before. Some of them didn't come on board at all. And you see, the irony of it and what makes people sad is that aside from this one, there were other people who also came later, who were not part of the initial plan. Good. But in this case, the audit team, right, picked the initial projection that for them, if we don't have the contracts for all those who came on board, they are taking the initial projection as the revenue recognized. At what level is revenue recognized? Revenue is recognized when you have actually given up the service, executed the service. So we told you that, look, what you have taken will not help so much. We had schedules. Before anything go on screen, there were schedules to any advert that was played during the 2014. Aside from the adverts, we also have the transmission certificates showing exactly those that adverts were played. The only thing that they are not ready to look at all this, and they took the difference between whatever was collected by the OMP, right, and the initial projection of those who wanted to come on board, and say that that's, and worked the 50% of GBC and say that is a disclosure. There's one missing gap here about the OMP. There are other things on their report that they brought, which GBC, even from time immemorial, my previous boss, Mr. Anaba, has questioned to know the details. Now we're pursuing the OMP to actually come and give us the final revenue, the total picture, which we don't have now.
Because some people left, but new people joined.
Also joined. And for those who joined, we have their schedules. We did analysis of all the schedules that were played and showed it to them. You see, there are other research institutions where you can even go and find out whether the advert played, right? Whether all the people in the projection, which they claim is their disclosure, whether adverts were played for them.
It's the way a director of finance, GBC, na Francisca and Nutrition Koma or Kase report now, Auditor General Diabano, and yet entirely true, because en capture omu feedback, which is that no crest omu underestimate the value of sika omunya here from adverter omu boy here for World Cup. But the question is, how can the Auditor General get this wrong? Because Auditor General report a ban in prenum or your first one, then who opportunity to comment, add additional document to it, no my final one. And see what happened to this one. You need the Director General better chunk about Francisca. What in the casa and what did he say about final report? No,
or say sika no say because omufa OMP no na sika ne for omunchen direct OMP na gigi bibia nti OMP na nim how many institutions na eventually omu ye advert and as sika omunya ye as omu che ama omu consortium members no and according to him no nipa company 26 and from the beginning no omu promises said they will advertise during the tournament, but afa in the beginning of the tournament no na company 16 and omu advertise here, even out of the 16, 3 of them cried here, new ones omu beka ho. And to the rest of them,
can you prove that?
Or prove it with documents.
Oh, this seems unbelievable to me. World Cup tournament is the most juicy platform anybody can get. Any advertiser take World Cup pen and hope because it's a good platform. For him to say so many 20 companies, they didn't come 16, he has to support it with documents. Yes, we are not buying that.
So he actually gave us documents. If you wow, documents.
Oh, say no DNT. Oh, you 20, obey me 16 there no.
Okay, and the documents no, they might won't say to say as program is going on adverts na ye bon schedule no you're printing in ego there's details of the
and
schedule
GBC for which they can edit. There should be
maybe OMP for no
OMP and they are in bed with them. Is OMP not in bed with them? Is OMP not doing the business with their friends GBC for? So there should be a third party, independent third party, to say Jopo for any idea who can verify say your monitor these adverts were actually played. Now say nipa no agent of this collusion, purported collusion. I'm not saying say collusion, alleged collusion. No, no cry na esa verify. Meanwhile, don't forget say GBC for Nagasaka say they were not collecting the money. OMP for they're collecting. So why would the OMP even give you the correct one? Why be just can now no? And
then moreover, the GBC head of finance no Ebenezer Botri, he is actually also requesting. Say the now also requested say omuma third person. Embe looking into this case because omuntia say documents are omudima Auditor General were enough to prove say they didn't understate any revenue and nankomunya third party mani be looking into the document to prove if there is any evidence Auditor General was say we who say no 26 funny nyina ye omu advert omfa evidence number not third party and review.
Okay, yanko Director General no hon me wi ane aba behwe travel matters no omo so omo 2014 World Cup no omo dimbe
not handling any of the marketing side.
The marketing side. Our portion is 50%. So whatever you collect, then you give us the 50%. Minus tax. whatever that the OMP will generate, he shares to every member of the consortium. Members of the consortium.
We are also part of the
members of control. We are also part of the members of control. Only that we have the majority share because we brought the World Cup and we asked everybody in the consortium to share.
So you will take 50%?
Yeah, we will take 50%. And the money was not paid to us. So the marketing company, that he go for the money.
They collected.
And at the end of the day, he takes all the taxes and he pays the net to us. And share. The consortium were GBC, NETU, UTV, and Metro.
So the revenue that was made, OMP was handling everything?
Handling everything.
So the revenue that GBC received was what was paid to GBC.
What was paid to GBC.
And that is what we disclose as what we agreed.
You understand? So many things. We asked them to reveal, so because who are not handling this? The transactions. GBC was not handling the transactions because they left it off to the marketing company. Like AFCON that we had. At the initial projection that we did, we were going to get about 10 million Ghana cedis. But some of them have wait and see attitude. So when Ghana qualify, even within the quarterfinals, you see new people entering. But as at now, even the initial projection that we did, we haven't even gotten half of them confirming they're coming on board. If we sign the contract, that's confirmed that you are coming on. Some of them will not come on board. As I said, as at now, we've not even confirmed half. Half has not confirmed. So if you come and see the projection and we give you the actual with thesis and everything, and you say no, you are going to use the projection as our revenue. You understand? My story is that we haven't under-declared any revenue. Whatever that we declare was what was given to us by OMP. He gave us the projection and the actual. Projection is not actual. Unless, as he said, accounting, unless you execute, you render the service before you get. And every evidence is shown here, all the logs and the thesis.
Which you provided to them?
We are provided to them. But I know that in auditing, you can respond. Either they take your response or they don't take your response. If they don't agree with your response, they will come out with a report. It's their work.
What do you think was the reason for this misunderstanding? Sometimes
you can't treat all institutions the same. We have the different functions. If you understand how the firm works, that's why if you are auditing, you can audit it well. Because we have internal audit here. They've been with us, they know our work, they understand it. So we always come out with internal audit report. Whatever that is going wrong, they raise it. And I believe that if they want to audit a firm, they should get people who understand the operations of the firm.
What's happening with the AFCON? Are you giving it to another person to handle?
No. We are handling it.
Why so?
We've learned a lesson from 2014 World Cup.
Okay.
Where we gave it to a marketing company. He has to provide it with information. But this time, we are handling it. We have formed a sales team.
It's where GBC Director General Onuna Francisca and Nkomo are try to explain the entire Omoni Auditor General report. So Enya Adwin says Siskasi AFIA POKUAA. This is Mr. Augustus Youngson, and he is Onona Acting Director General of GBC. CAA GBC Abomono. But GBC cry just a small aspect of this whole football choppy because travel matters. Ticketing is one of the biggest create loot and share. I koso Ghana football ni sports mu generally because just way after in go for twagum na yen hu first something di mu din eba mu any other people just football there ticketing there supporters here dey o mu ko nyina ticketing issue enti ambra ticket ho asem there's a case say 75,150 $75,150 you only see this dollars. And Black Stars ticket issue here no Commodore World Cup 2014 Brazil once me you shoot ticket. Francisca, what happened to the tickets?
On say players no call Brazil no. Baby I keep supporters no. Now yes say the way you bought African Cup of Nations or Ghana Hana matches ni bi wo Accra ha e bi wo Cape Coast e bi wo Kumasi and no na e was say for mu fi one region another area for a tournament. Now nearby any say, sir, travel matters no. Now omunomu travel agent for the whole tournament. And now omunom I was say here plane if you crow way so ako krofu frosoa. Travel matters no. And I was a renty plane. Ye di betu kwan. Nti according to travel matters no. Plane or renty no. One renty and fee Brazil. Or renty fee US. Dynamic airline. And or renty. Now plane you could do apparently sa plane na and US players echo Brazil. And per the rules of Brazil no. Or the US players are kono. They know say that plane is supposed to pick US players, not any other country's players, not any other country's supporters. Meanwhile, sa plane na ena travel matters. Akwa renti Ghana supporters no. Enti afi unim se Ghana fon so de yanu na. Enti ekọ baby adede jama. Enti omudu ho no. Na plane no ba ko ekọ dida. One group ko. And at the next group, picky plane no. Ghana for start any amano. Choboy hey. No mo say America for nye choboy.
Choboy. Choboy grade any America kasem.
Aha. Na nkofo be na ye dede sa. And na draw immigration for attention say no. Bibi koso wa ha enwo say esi. And no mo rush ko ho check e no mo say enye US for na air body plane no. Ghana for and air body plane no. This is not possible. No mo say hey, mo see fam plane into. And to that day no Ghana supporters na nka also mu ko
stadium no
ko support Ghana for no omo da airport ho
wa yeah me kaisa issue no
because ya mo anko because that plane any right
so any flight any other nationality chain US
because omo ma that plane is
specific
so be for US for and say Ghana for
it ticket na nka also medical stadium na $75,000
no and no Ghana buy anya to ticket ni dida ama supporters
hey
and no omo anko stadium no $75,000 no
Messi school dan be 10
ashe
5 no that so quite easy
and because someone to me anko ho no sasika no ashe because na Ghana government anya to tickets na ma supporters ni dida and it's a Kanashi. And the Ghana government, or mobile almost set is a committee in a so much nsem no. Committee ni share no mu say no. Ye piki wo ema contract. Say wo.
Commission, yeah. The mefe commission.
And ye piki mo. Say, una we travel agent.
Travel matters. Mr. Ivan Bruce in a down no.
Mr. Ivan Bruce in a down.
And what is his explanation?
Okay. Me ono so the explanation is say ono dear. Project na Ghana for the man no. This hasn't been the first time only Ghana for a deal.
And no they mind. That is not an issue.
And according to him no. On also airline no fire. Ni panic at no so our domestic flight permit.
Did he check it?
Also on the offer from the west of the person.
Businessman, also you are using somebody's words as a basis for a contract. A national contract a Ghana for the area show umuno. Where you saw Nipan West without verifying whether Nipan can crash there or not puffrey.
Yes.
Your BB or contract me very puffrey. I am and I mean I media here puffrey. It could be mere puffrey.
Yes. And I didn't ban a son and also or contactee Nipana or renty plane. Apparently Nipana or renty plane if in Chenkran or plane in any day. Also, Abrochomu or this thing now. Utumi agent.
Bruce no can where I am a bufu. Planning if he had done his due diligence. Nkobe uno ni nyina we say planning kra nyani pandia.
Planning nyani pandia. And you so kwa jifi another
fine. Sister Francisca. Me kra no de en kra de nyame guy. 75 na yaboka o chiama ya na say oyende.
O si on to mintia. O si.
Debi.
It is not fair. O si enye fair to him say.
Ya fair
wa boka. Na yesi on Santia Saka.
Oh yeah, na djube ya nkaka no kra will not even arise in the first place.
Also no chase Sasika nipa no nso ewu.
Nipa be na ewu.
Nipa na or renting plane ne man no.
Wakuna no ewu.
Nipa na ewu.
Ono aka say ewu no no.
Asem na ngasa wo court wo US.
God.
Na nipa na nso ewu.
Nipa na ewu wo US on tie kana she.
And so business on the Ghana government.
Yeah, nipa ni contract o.
And your first on make a chance so $75,000.
Privity of contract. Ghana government no travel matters na sign contract. US ni na we wu ni de. Ye ni mo no. Una also ko subcontract wa de. Una ama Ghana government assurance obetimi apepele na mayen. Wo the ticket, wo the players be ko say. Inti yet 75 no o chia na say de.
Osi on to mean to because Ghana government nanka was so execute and say chanika. And Tasam the ban is an Yan chanika and Tiakana Muboy and Sumudi man and fair because on our bocadita.
As I the NT Papa answer.
If I'm using my own money in organizing a flight, internal flight for supporters to go watch a match, and I have already settled the company that is supposed to convey this. Frank of the various places of Mokoshe Machi. Nanipana and to me and Hona me side of the bargain. Because of me high no. I me tiano, but in tian. And I didn't kui. Yes, because in confidence to me and Koshe. Me tia tickets and utilize me again in me. Woman saw support the students of Boka for only a Ghana for Mekobo Busia and I made the Akako high a pay for flights and I the Akobani say me GD passes say you come here I was say oh Akwe Kapwa Boka yen channel cab yen channel so income in Nimse no Huni Scano a Bibunia or the year but a nature yes I say over Chiska with GD saying Yedi Quanswa
and the quite a baswa flights now for fire no not only permitter also the sacro so
or road so will be beyond why be sorry or British first flight
okay flights no Brazil or from another country
it is American flight Nippon the flight if you America by na probably British America
I don't know one picky flights or Brazil
the bottom line is now they don't court or America me go tin and say I see papa or some this America go do it
assembly Syria no would the say and Casicana with my airline on Sabeka Vanisana on Sankaskan
say almost a case or said they call Delaware and any person now kita case Mamansu Kuwi at the stages.
Semo. Where travel matters penny Mr. Ivan Bruce Kujo. Now when you say football contract there a waste a means contract. Unimobia enfama. Contract no crime do 7. Me see the fact the way there enye nuendo. And then insinuation America say me say football contract is a generally known fact. Our Africa and specifically Ghana has say when you move contract na a waste a means. Enru hono na mu 10% yan kofa chedi. Papa ne say nipa no the contract man wawu wa America. Oh God. Wawu Delaware. Enti ye sika $75,000 no ashe. Now no wonder I don't blame him because government of Ghana I no promise yes say when we see a time at justice the MFL commission papa onye ni patwa you wasting the time Moses for money mu nyina ka ho aye adwuma Moses for money by the way shade why o ma me da form kafra some me do din bamba I have to mention your name as a dance here na ye de ni nyina aba ya committee ne commission na wie ya submit report na no presidency ni refi president anado refi yo entina papa ne ka say ni dance ni na wu no enti sika we Francisca now the bottom line is corruption watch are you helping us to get the money are we writing to Auditor General say you should follow it retrieve the money and bring the money or Auditor General just aba na ejan ho
of course
because we have to find some work for Matiami to do
I was say a DH because Sesika be assured baby I was say to me who baby as can call any pa SS otia no ntia and see because we DH until say a benya solution to this issue.
Let us say any setting some mobeji.
Mobile say nipa ne say or feel say any right say be catch ne so ntia
and on the feeling e dey aduma the law doesn't replace anybody's feeling
I was say you should say mrano require say also tia and I think say from 2014 till 2019 it's been 5 years by this time I was a government
I want to offer by one city and kaka sotia what I said the bottom line is
also chair was so
chair and then yes on travel matters pokeke the general 2014 report Justice MFL Commission report no why is the report not being enforced implemented what is it
corruption watch
the next time you be called president media encounter no this question will come up again why is the report not being enforced if it is you enforce ya kosi saying well we understand said that almost say oh yeah some kind of enforcement at some levels which is why as it says supporters union there's scrutiny there's transparency there but how far sikano e konkofo botom ya ji kubetika ni ewen mekai makakra you call president media encounter or see ni refi I like the president for his honesty. At least he was truthful. And you wanna obi politician be the first one that be mami didn't run your propaganda.
Yeah.
Oh, plans are far advanced, and now we are on the job. We will do it. There be okanokrasi in fact ni refi, which is a good thing.
Yeah.
It's better to be honest. But then refi choose just say yen to me and go back and koye.
Yeah.
So corruption watch. I think what we should do. Corruption watch may enter petition come president as a reminder.
Of course, we will.
And then copy independent special prosecutor. So, bra, sikani editor nka wonya adwuma. This is his first job.
Yeah.
Only on pay adwuma. Oh yeah. 2020 bon pay adwuma. Normal answers be on that.
Yeah.
So, nti that's it. Francis is investigator on Corruption Watch. Nti aseda kese nkoma your partners on boy me the Corruption Watch bremu nyina. Ghana Center for Democratic Development CDD, Ghana Integrity Initiative GII, Ghana Anti-Corruption Coalition GACC, Adom FM, Africa Center for International Law and Accountability ASILA William Nyakum. Eda ano any Star Ghana for our madaroma and o mafa ho ka nyina say senke ka radio stations nko ye sika de here pa nti because aban anyone more me sika. Nti ye de nke ye bebo agumu sa but so that ye be check say ye be consistent on Corruption Watch it. Star Ghana for kadi nyina say they will buy the airtime and help us to do this thing. Here da o ma say so mobile. This is Just Send Media Adom 106.12. Onim the beef between Medica and a strong man is going on. Yeah. Obi apedi ope. Me, I'm not against Medical, but I love strong man. Siano bakope, kuma siano bakope. Yente brofogra obra ukuta degree from UCC. Degree in ball life or nyansan so. Don't worry. Odi on pen as I'm now prove for asema. Usu will taste. Obi any taste. Me, my taste is strong man. That's all. As I no support. It be so. Yeah, under G. Don't worry, nobody should condemn under G. Because Obi I under G da me. My banchi contomera under G. And under me vim no. Contomera under G. Me kwanya asem kwa camera pe kra kan. Ana nti en to aso. Go here Just NSEM. Ye ba sisi ani ava me to aso. Vim lady ni. More vim.